My name is Steve Mark from Gullo Ford Conroe. Welcome to our channel. Today I'd like to go over satellite radio. Come on in, let's look at it. Okay, so we're going to start off by hitting the audio button on your touchscreen. And you'll see sources, channel guide, direct tune, replay, and presets and alert. And we'll go over all those as we go. First, you'll hit sources and select Sirius XM radio. You can push the channel guide and you'll have all your channels in line that you can select from. You actually have about 150 channels. You have comedy channels, news channels, and you also can pick up every Major League Baseball game and football game along with soccer. So let's choose rock. So if you go back, you can also do a direct tune. If you happen to know the actual numbers for the satellite, you can select it, hit enter, and it'll go right to it, which is Elvis station. You have replay. What replay will do is you can replay the song that's currently playing. You'll hit this button back and it'll replay one song, and you can keep going back and it'll replay numerous songs on it. You also have this button that does your presets. You actually have 18 different presets you can use, so you can preset 18 different stations. The alert button here, what that's going to do is if you like a certain song, Ozzy Osbourne, You Can't Kill Rock and Roll, you can add this. So it's saving the alert, and anytime this song is played on the Sirius stations, it'll alert you and a little box will come up saying that this song is playing, and you can actually hit it to select or delete it. So that just about sums up your satellite radio. You have your sources, you'll select Sirius, you have your channel guide, your direct tune, your replay if you want to replay a current song, alert if you want to be alerted that a song is playing, and then your presets. That just about sums it up, the Sirius XM satellite radio. So come on down and see us. We're at Gullo Ford Conroe, where we treat you like family.